Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make fair funnel cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt for the dry mix. For the wet ingredients, have your milk, large eggs, and vanilla extract ready. Don't forget the vegetable oil for frying. You'll need about 2 to 3 inches of it in a deep pot. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother. Now, let's create that perfect funnel cake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, beat your eggs, then mix in the milk and vanilla extract. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, whisking continuously until the batter is smooth. The consistency should be similar to a thick pancake batter, pourable but not too thin. Next, it's time for the fun part, frying. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep, heavy-bottomed pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a funnel, cover the hole with your finger, fill it with about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter, then release your finger and drizzle the batter into the hot oil in a circular and zigzag pattern. Fry each side for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown. Once your funnel cake is golden and crispy, carefully remove it from the oil and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. For that classic fairground taste, dust it generously with powdered sugar while it's still warm. You can also add toppings like fresh fruit or whipped cream. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.